how to report Facebook account. So even if you're not friends with them, you can report them. So I'll head over and show you an example of a friend and non-friend. So for example, let's head over to our non-friend right here. And if you want to report them, you can head over and click on the three dots right here on the profile. And in here, you can see this option called report profile. So I will not actually report them, but I will show you just for sake of the education. So I'll head over and show you this. Now you can just head over and then just choose, like for example, a specific post or something about this. Then you can just choose why are you reporting this profile. So once you have chosen here an example or an option, you should be able to report them. But I will not proceed with this one because I will not report them. Now you can head over and report a friend as well. You can head over right here to your profile and then look for the friend that you want to report. Like for example, this one. Now from there, click on these three dots and then in here, just click on this report profile and then just do whatever that we have done earlier. So that's how you report a profile on Facebook. Hope we help.